Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. Hope you're doing really well. Let's get right into it. I have a singular review on ELLIS Brooklyn, and this is Isla Sirena. Okay, let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. So, versatility. Do you think this fragrance is versatile? I would not say this fragrance is versatile, and I will say the reason why. Let's go to occasion. One, I think that this is absolutely for like this season, like spring and summer. Like me wearing this for the winter or fall, I feel like this would get like lost in the sauce. It's very light. Like I don't think that I could do that. I'm a very like seasonal type of person. Some things go like all the way around and they're like signature scents, but I wouldn't say that this is a signature scent where you can like use this year round. So spring, summer, the season that we are in, yeah, this is great. And for occasion, I can see you wearing this on a tropical vacation. I can see you wearing this to like brunch with the girlfriends, really cute, like little date, date, I would say, like very bright setting, right? Something that like is uplifting. Even if you wanted to wear this to like church, it is very much for a lot of different occasions, but I would say something that is definitely uplifting, bright, free, and vacation worthy, of course. Now, the packaging. Now, I have the travel size, but ELLIS Brooklyn's packaging are all the same, right? They just have like different colors, depending on what kind of experience and the juice and all that kind of stuff that you are receiving. Now, the packaging, I love the packaging. It kind of gives this very simplistic, but I love that it gives like these bold letters like Isla Sirena on it. We'll put a picture up, but I love that it does this boldness to it with the lettering, but the bottle itself, very prim and proper. Like I don't see anything wrong with it. I feel like it gives very much a vibrance, a experience and essence. I love the packaging. So packaging, A1. Now pricing. For a 1.7 ounce, you're looking at about $115. So pricing is pretty good, but we're going to get into it more of my thoughts. So I'll include like my thoughts on the pricing too. But pricing comparison to what we have out there, pricing is pretty decent. Now, does this lean more feminine or masculine? I really think this takes a more feminine approach, in my opinion. But men, you know, to each his own. But I really do feel like it gives a little bit more of a more feminine vibe, shall we? This was launched this year. This is their new release. So let's get into the notes. So top notes, we have lime, sea salt. You all know I love a good salt note. Banana, papaya. Middle notes, we have coconut water, vanilla orchid, and ginger flower. Base notes, we have brown sugar. We have some tiki wood and vanilla. All right, so that is the notes that we have. Let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, let's get it out the way. Do you love this fragrance? I actually do love this fragrance. This fragrance is really, really good. For it to be lime in the top notes, we got some banana, some papaya. Like, I was kind of concerned, like mixing those all together, but it really does work. It's very fruity, tropical. I love the banana. I love the papaya that gives that like depth of fruit. That lime kind of like causes it not to be so like fruity where you're thinking it's immature. Like it definitely allows the fruits to blend well and for it to be this great fragrance for you to wear where you don't feel again that it's immature. And if you all know me, you know I love a good salt note. It definitely gives me like tropical vibes. If I were ever to go to like Bali or something, I would feel like, yeah, you got to take this with you. Now, all the fragrances work well together. It's so nice, so pretty. Now, would I purchase this fragrance at full bottle? I am still thinking. I'm battling this, okay? I'm battling this one because one, I feel like you have to douse yourself with this fragrance to actually get like the full beauty and essence of this fragrance. Like my oversprayers, you have no problem because you need to overspray. You need to overspray on the overspray. Like, I mean, yeah. You need to like douse where literally the fragrance water is all up on your ball tee for you to experience this fragrance in full. Like, this is not one of them and go. No, girl, douse yourself, okay? Because I feel like if you don't do that, you're not going to smell it. I'm sorry. I feel like you won't smell it. Like, I didn't. At one time, I was like, okay, let me just test it. You know, just little. No, girl. I had to, like, douse myself before I'm like, okay, I smell it. So, as far as, like, projection, this is not going to do this projection type of, like, walking in the room, whatever, okay? Now, you have your oils on and all of that. Like, I still do not think you're going to be knocking them down. I'm sorry. You're wearing another fragrance if you're knocking them down. Like, let's be for real, sis. Like, for real, like, just this alone and you knocking them down? Oh, girl. And tell us what the overspraying concoction kind of run down. Tell us how you doing to knock them down with this fragrance. It's just not that type of fragrance. Does it smell good? Yes. Like, I feel like it does smell really good, but I did not get compliments leaving the scent trail. I didn't even I had to douse myself and I still was like, man, like, I feel like it's not giving the way that I would like it. So that is why, like, now if this was given to me, like I would say in like PR or like if somebody purchased this for me, yeah, then I would have a full bottle. But for me, purchasing it with my own coins, I'm just not sure. Like, I feel like I'm going to absolutely take this on like vacation and that type of thing. Love it on vacation, but a full bottle at $115. I feel like because how much I have to do just to experience or to like smell this at like that top level of experience, I feel like I'm going to be done with the bottle so quick. I feel like I have to douse myself with this fragrance. And so the purchase price of $115, I'm going to have to purchase that within like 2 months. And y'all know me. Emptying a bottle of a fragrance, yeah, right. So I would say if this was in the $80 range, okay. Again, beautiful fragrance. Beautiful. So don't get me wrong. Like, if you want to purchase this at $115, it's a great fragrance. You're not going to be disappointed. It's fruits. It's tropical. It's a little limey, right? So it gives like a different uniqueness in there, like a little unique citrus note in. So it is good. Like, you literally, like, sis, you would have to like, no, you wouldn't have to do all of that, but you would have to douse yourself with this fragrance. I don't know. And I just got this. And look, and this is just me testing it and trying to like, I don't know. You all tell me your thoughts. Maybe I'm not spraying the way I should be spraying. A sis drenched herself. And then I was like, oh yes, this is it. This is it. I love it. And I feel like, again, it's not going to go throughout the day. So I wasn't expecting that, but just, yeah, it is what it is. So, again, this is a Ellis Brooklyn, because I've had some absolute fails of Ellis Brooklyn in the past. But this is one that is so good. Again, good for a tropical vacation. I would absolutely say purchase the travel size and then douse yourself for your vacation. Okay? Douse yourself in the fragrance water. All right, well, that is it. That's my full thoughts, okay? You like it, great. If you had a different experience, we still want to hear it, okay? We want to hear your experience. You know, no shade on the fragrance again, but let us know your thoughts, your experience. Do you like it? Do you not? Would you purchase it? Would you not? Yeah, and that's all. Well, until next time, fam, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.